Okay, it's 7:30 now, so let's get started. So good evening, everyone. Welcome to this sessions of Ichen Art Academy information session on 2022 Summer Art Programs. My name is Jason, and together with me, Ryan, our APR teacher, we will introduce you our this year's Summer Art Program. Okay. A brief introduction of our agenda for tonight. First, I will give some general guidelines on the camp selection. As you know, we have over 100 different camps and programs available. So this guideline will help you make a wide selection that best fit your needs, right? Next, I will briefly cover the Q3 regular class. That's a once a week class for the entire summer. And followed by that, I will be talking about the summer art camp for kids ages 5 to 9, and also the digital art and animation camps for ages 9 and above. And then Mr. Ryan will be covering the summer art workshop. This is actually the main part of our tonight's presentation for kids ages 11 and up. And last, then Ichen, Ryan, and I will be answering you any questions you might have. Okay. All right, some of the general guidelines about camp selection. As many of you are aware of, Ichen Art Academy is more than just a art school that provide like art education. We actually help our students and to make a career planning. And for those who aim for going to art major, we have a very strong program helping them get into the nation's top art school. And for those non-art major students, we also have a very comprehensive and systematic art education that actually helps them by the time they apply for colleges, they can develop a very strong supplemental portfolio, which help them get into also the nation's best like private schools or general colleges, right? So for that, actually, one thing I want to mention is as part of our services, for every year we offer grade 8 and above student. For every student in grade 8 and above, we offer a 15-minute consultation session. Actually, this year's session has already started. And so that actually is a great way for parents and teachers to get in touch with our AP teacher and have a review for their portfolio, and then also get some suggestions on their camp selection. All of our camps we offer, they are age and level based. Actually, I will be referring back to our website, and so that you can also later on after the presentation, you can take a deep dive for a specific area if you're interested. All right, another guideline suggestion is a practice makes perfect, right? This actually means a lot of the camps that we offer is not a one-time shot. Actually, all of the camps that we offer, you can make a plan for a multi-year, like your art education. So the summer camp program specifically is for us to provide a supplemental like support for our regular program during school year. Our main focus tend to be on the building up the foundation and so on, right? But during the summertime, that's where we support a wide variety of different programs for kids to explore their interests, to develop specific skill, and especially also to work on their portfolios, as we will talk about later. And for those parents who are not quite familiar with our summer art program, we actually have a very good place. It's on our website homepage. It's right here. If you come to our homepage, there is a view 2016 to 2021 summer art program, like albums. What it is every year for every summer workshop that we offer, we have created an album, right? This is on our Facebook. And we have 6 years worth of all of our summer art camp and programs and on display students' artwork. And for the last 2 years, every camp was offered online only, but the prior years, they're all in person, right? So you can feel free to take a look at our student artwork for each to get a feel of what our camps are up to and the quality of our program that we offer. All right. And one last thing we would like to make parents aware is this year we add a payment requirements, because in the past we allow, like, some parents, they just make a reservation, but they did not make a payment. And because there are only very limited seats, right? And parents, they wait till the last moment, then they say they cancel. We end up just having those seats get wasted. So for starting from this year, we add this requirement: if you make a reservation, the payment must be received within 3 days. Otherwise, we won't be guaranteed or secure the spot for you. All right. All right, so let's start with the top view of what kind of program we offered for this year. This year, actually, we have 3 types of camps, like divided by age, right? For age 5 to 9, we have 24 like summer art camps. They are all in person. And also we have 14 digital and animation camps for ages 9 and above. And last but not least is the actually the workshop, right? We have over 60 workshops, both in person and online. And also there's a summer regular classes. There are close to 30 plus actually, regular classes we offer during the summer. Okay. Let me just start with some basic, like regular classes. This is a once a week class, just like what we're doing today during the school year. The in-person and online class we offer both for Fremont and Pleasanton. There are a total 9 weeks of classes. And those classes are only available on Saturdays and Sundays, right? Because during summertime, most of our activity are around like a weekday summer camps and workshops. So we're not gonna have that many summer regular classes during the summer. And those on a 12-month plan, that's our tuition plan, they are required to sign up for the summer quarter, right? You have 2 choices. One is you can sign up for 1 regular class for the entire summer, or for each like a 12 or 9 months plan, as long as you sign up for 1 week of summer camp or workshop, you satisfy the requirements, right? That's the minimum requirement for staying with a 12 months plan. All right, for those parents who just joined our school or just want to sign up for the summer camp for the first time, actually, this is a good way for you to introduce our 12-month plan, right? The benefit for that is if you sign up for a summer, you will receive $5 per class like tuition discount for the next 3 quarters. So that's another way to continue the savings once you attend our summer program. All right. Next, I would like to briefly cover the summer camp workshop like a discount. And in the past, we've been getting some questions on that. So we do have an early bird discount, which originally ended today. And still for each camp, if you register by April 1st, you'll receive a $10 discount. But we are going to extend the deadline for early bird till like the end of this Sunday. So it's April 3rd. So you still have time to, after tonight's meeting, look it over and think about what camp you want to register and still get the early bird discount. Okay. And multi-camp discount, that's if you sign up for 3 or more camps, each camp will receive a $10 discount. This can be combined with your early bird discount as well. Well, actually, our biggest discount of all is our whole day discount, which means if you sign up for both a morning and afternoon camp or workshop during the same week, you will receive $160 discount, right? So that's actually, this is our way to help those students who are really serious, they want to build up their skill, and that's how we can help them just if you attend a whole day camp. So the way to count a whole day camp is like if you have 2 half-day camps and during the same week, you can combine into 1 whole day camp, right? Then when you count on top of that, if you count the multi-camp or early bird discount, these 2 half-day camp actually will be combined into 1 whole day camp. So it counts as 1, not 2. All right. All right, let's start with the summer art camp program. This is for kids ages 5 to 9. All right, so let me go back to my the Summer Art Ichen Art Academy website. So to access that, you go to 2020 Summer Art Camp and Program. Okay, and then you will go to the sorry. Please. All right, let me switch to the. It's like my browser is dead. All right. You just go to the 2020 Summer Art Program for kids 5 to 9. Here's all the schedule, right? The schedule, actually, in order to sign up for that, this is a online form, so you can fill out the information directly online and choose the program that you like to select. And when you're done, you just do an export as PDF. So save this file into PDF, then you can send it to us through email, right? Then we will send you we will look it up and make sure everything is correct, and especially the levels and fit the student. Then we will register. If everything is okay, then we will send you an invoice. Then you can make a payment within 3 days. Okay. For the summer art program, we have 14 in-person camps in Fremont and 10 in-person camps at our Pleasanton. Okay. And to understand what kind of programs that we have, there's some camp photos you can take a look. These are in the past what we have done, and the students, they have worked on their project. They are drawing, painting, there are also crafts and some problem solving, building their own 3D models, and a lot of different programs actually. So feel free to explore and for those camp activities there, okay? All right, so the next one is, this is the camp for both Fremont and Pleasanton. Now, I want to give one quick overview of the curriculum for one of the camps that we offer, Harry Potter, right? This is actually the curriculum our teacher is currently working on. They will be providing more samples, and once they become available, we will publish on our website. So right now we have, for example, Harry Potter, there are like 7 projects students will be working on during the 5-day period, right? Each day there will be 3 hours. And they have, as you can see, these are some of the activities we'll be doing. And for that, actually, we have give me a second. Yeah. So we do have the entire summer program. Actually, this is all the curriculum meeting. And once we have the sample programs ready, we will publish them on our website. So at this moment, we have not published that yet. Okay. All right, the next camp is the digital art and animation camp for ages 9 and above. So for that, let's go switch back to our website. This is the second one, right? So this is actually the one we're showing. That's the students' artwork from last year. These are some of the animation students created during last year's summer art camp and workshops, right? So we will continue that for this year. We are adding more contents to that. Actually, there are 3 levels for this type of camp. There are 8 of those camps are called digital art camps. This is actually for the beginner and the intermediate level. So students who have not learned like a Procreate software on iPad and with Apple Pencil, they can take one of these camps to get familiar with those, tools and software, right, to build the digital skills sets. And the next one is the animation. There are 4 animation camps, and this is for intermediate advanced level. And the prerequisites, students need to be familiar with the Procreate software, right? So if you have not taken a digital art camp or you have not practiced like appropriate software, you need to take that before you take the animation camp. All right, for students who have taken the animation camp, like say last year, or you have already learned quite a bit, you want to learn more advanced, you can sign up for the intermediate advanced like animation camp. These are 2-week camps, right? It's in the evening, 2 hours per day for 2 weeks. Right? They're gonna build some very fancy like animation because it takes much longer to build. Okay. Same thing, and if you're interested in what these camps will be doing, and you can look at like in the past or similar camps and what students were working on their art portfolio. Here, there's some animations that our teacher created, and there's some artwork like teachers, art instructors work. They teach students how to do the drawing painting on the iPad and with step-by-step instructions, like to create those art, like a digital art. All right. So the teacher for instructor for these 2 camps are Eva and Ken. Ken is our as professional animator, and he will be teaching most of the advanced like animation camps. Eva has been teaching for the last 2 years at our school for this very same camp, digital art and animation. All right. Yeah, this one I just covered. There's 3 levels for those camps.